This is SagerBuddy, an AI learning workspace that helps you move from understanding to doing. Enter a learning goal, and the system turns it into an action plan. Sager understands the current context and guides you through learning and practice. The full flow covers collection generation, sandbox practice, flashcards and quizzes, code base reading, and interactive classrooms. First, enter the goal of building a RAG-powered customer service assistant, and tell the system what you want to accomplish. The system generates a RAG learning action plan, breaking down knowledge bases, chunking, retrieval, and re-ranking into clear steps. Once inside the structured learning page, modules, concepts, exercises, and acceptance checks all follow the same path. When a concept or formula is unclear, Sager explains it in the current course context, so you do not need to repeat the whole question. The second scene is the practice camp. Choose a skill pack from the list and start building immediately. On the detail page, the architecture diagram, learning modules, and completion progress are easy to scan. Then enter the in-browser practice environment, where code, instructions, and the terminal stay on the same page. After running the command, terminal output returns immediately, so every step can be verified as soon as it is done. The third scene starts with card mode, creating a learning collection that is designed for review. The card deck continues the learning path, keeping concepts, lessons, and exercises in one place. A quiz then checks understanding, turning what you have seen into knowledge you can actually use. The fourth scene is Codex. It covers more than 100 popular open-source projects, helping learners build a global understanding quickly. Inside a project, it is not just passive reading. Explanations, code examples, and interactive exercises appear together. Sager answers questions inside the Codex context, so the response stays focused on the current project. The fifth scene is the interactive classroom, a shared learning space for multiple learners. The classroom uses slides for presentation. The course outline is on the left, the lesson content is in the center, and questions and dialogue stay on the right. In the interactive simulation, learners can see sub-agent tools, model choices, effort level, memory, and isolation settings directly. The model context protocol architecture and data flow can also be explained as an interactive diagram, showing clients, servers, external services, and security configuration in one view. The classroom can also run demo commands directly. For example, /cost returns session time, code changes, token usage, estimated cost, and efficiency, using real execution results to validate the lesson. Finally, the product architecture shows that this is not a single tool, but a complete learning loop. It starts from goals and ideas, turns them into a route, organizes content through skill packs, courses, cards, and codex, moves into browser-based practice, evaluates results through quizzes, terminal signals, and progress feedback, and then turns the work into projects, reports, and shareable outcomes. Sager sits in the center, connecting goal breakdown, content recommendation, practice guidance, and review. The closing page shows the official content library and the target users. The platform now includes more than 10 curated skill packs and more than 100 open-source Codex projects, covering large model applications, agent engineering, retrieval augmented generation, context engineering, browser automation, and production deployment. It serves learners such as AI transformation professionals, engineers, enterprise development teams, and bootcamp students. It also serves trainers, including instructors, training organizations, and enterprise enablement teams, who need to create courses, hands-on labs, and assessments. Collections include Zero to Claude, AI agent practice, and RAG customer service. Interactive courses include LLM fine-tuning, Claude code practice, the model context protocol, and sub-agent configuration. Thank you for watching. Welcome to tryaflowlearn.net.